Welcome to the Avant STAMPe e-reading guide. In this video, you will learn how to put your best effort into the reading portion of your test. In this section, you will see short texts, like messages, signs, and short articles. There are about 30 questions in the reading section. At the beginning of this section, you will see a practice question, a question, and possible answers. Answer the question, and click Next to go to the next screen. Remember, this is only a practice question. Do not spend too much time on it. It doesn't count in the final score. If you have any technical difficulties, please let the proctor or teacher know. First, read the question on the left. You might see just a question with an image, or a question with text to read. Next, look at the possible answers on the right. You might see images or text. Next, select the best answer. Select the best answer to the question, and click Next to continue. You will not be able to go back. The Avant STAMPe test is not timed, but remember, you will have about 30 questions to complete. Answer each question the best you can. This test is a snapshot of what you understand at this point in time. For more, go to avantassessment.com/video-tutorials.